Canvas has introduced a new, easy way to put YouTube videos into your course. To do this, open up a page and click the plug icon. If the YouTube link is not available, click View All. You can search or scroll down to YouTube. Click that. Now you can search for a YouTube video to insert into your course. You can click Embed or click the drop-down menu to see your embed options. The YouTube video is now in your page, but this still might contain ads, links, and other distracting features. To get rid of those features, you will have to enable YouTube integration. To do this, go to Settings in your course navigation menu. Click Feature Options. At the bottom, you will find YouTube to Studio Content Migration. Click the X to enable it. Once it turns into a green and white checkmark icon, migration has been enabled. Reload the page. Now in your course navigation menu, you will see YouTube Migration. Click that. This link examines your course for all YouTube videos. For each video, click Review under the Action heading. Click Convert. This conversion will remove the links, ads, and other distracting features, enabling students to better focus on their coursework. You will have to do this for each video. If you are University of Memphis faculty, staff, or administration and would like to learn more about integrating YouTube videos into a Canvas course, sign up for UM3D's YouTube and Higher Education training course. You can do that through our website. The link is in the description of this video.